السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. أنا أستاذ سعيد المهدي وده مسائل من امتحان ديجيتال سات ماث. The expression 24 over 6x plus 42, so 24 over 6x plus 24 is equivalent to 4 over x plus b. So where b is a constant and x greater than 0, what's the value of b? So the relationship, this 24 to 4, this is divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 6x divided by 6 is x. So 24 divided by, or 42, this is 42. 42 divided by 6 equals b. So 42 divided by 6 equals b. So b is equal to 7, which is solution 7. Circle A in the xy plane has the equation x plus 5 squared plus xy minus 5 squared equals 4. So circle A, the center is at x is equal to negative 5 and y of the center is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5. So this is circle of center A, and radius squared is 4. So radius squared is 4. So the radius square root 4, which is 2. So 2, this is 3, negative 3, and negative 7, and positive 7, and 3, 1, 2, 3. So the circle is like this. This is circle A. B has the same center as circle A. The radius of circle B is 2 times. 2 times, yani radius of circle B is 2 times 2, which is 4. So radius B squared equals 4 squared, which is 16. So the equation will be K here is 16, because the equation of circle x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, or x minus x center, x of the center squared plus y minus y of the center squared equals radius squared. So radius of b squared is equal to 16, which is equal to k. This k is equal to 16. So the answer is 16. A business owner plans to purchase the same model of chair for each of the 81 employees. The total budget to spend on these chairs is 14,000, which includes a 7% sale. So 7% sale tax plus 100%, 107% multiplied by price of one chair multiplied by 81 chairs. This should be less than or equal to 14,000, because this is the budget. Which of the following is closest to the maximum possible price? So the price P, so we can divide by 81, divide by 81, divide by 107% here, divide by 107%. So this cancels, this cancels. So P less than or equal to 14,000 divided by 107% multiplied by 81. This is equal to 1,000. This is 10,000. حاجة غلط هنا. This is 10,000. حاجة غلط. 14,000. 107%. This is 107. 107%. Delete 107%. So the answer is 161. 161 shares 0.5 يعني 161 shares. The dollars. So 160, this is the answer. B. The price should be less than 161. Question number 11. The graphs of the equation in the given system of equations intersect at point xy in the xy plane of the possible value of x. We can solve this using Desmos, and we can solve this without Desmos. We can we can isolate y here. 8x plus y equals negative 11. So move this x to the other side. Y equals negative 8x minus 11. And in the other second equation, 2x squared equals y plus 341. Can move this to the other side. So y is equal to 2x squared minus 341. Y is equal to y. So this equation is equal to this equation. So negative 8x minus 11 equals to x squared minus 341. So we can move everything to one side of the equation. 2x squared minus 8x will move to be positive 8x. Minus 11, it will be plus 11 minus 341 equals 0. So 2x squared plus 8x minus 330 equals 0. Negative 341 plus 11 is negative 300. We can divide everything by 2. So x squared plus 4x minus 165 equals 0. We can solve using calculator mode 5-3. So mode 5-3, 1 x squared, 4x, and negative 165. x1 is 11 and x2 is negative 15. What's the possible value of x? So it can be negative 15, positive 11. So the solution is negative 15. We can solve this using Desmos. Let's write this in Desmos. Mode 7, I write the equation. No, I cannot. So in Desmos, this is Desmos. 8x plus y, 8x plus y equals negative 11. 2x squared, 2x power 2. 2x squared equals y plus 341. So this is a solution, 11. So x is equal to 11. This is the solution. And the other solution is here, x equals negative 15. So we have x equal 11 and x equal negative 15. So the solution is A. How many solutions does the equation have? So we distribute this. So 150x minus 90 equals negative 15 times 6, negative 90, negative times negative, positive 150x. So this is 150x, same slope, y-intercept negative 90. So this is same line. So infinitely many solution, because two lines, if the two lines have same slope and same y-intercept, they have infinitely many solutions. Each point is a solution. This is solution. So infinitely many solutions. When the quadratic function f is graphed in the xy plane where y equals f of x, its vertex. So quadratic, this is the vertex. One of the x-intercepts. So the vertex is at negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Negative 3 is the vertex. Negative 3 is 6. And x-intercept negative 17 over 4. Negative 17 over 4. Negative 17 over 4 is negative 4 point. So it is here. Negative 4.25. This is x-intercept. So the parabola is like this. So it is said here, what is the other x-intercept? The same distance. Distance here is 1. Difference here between negative 3 and negative 4.5, 1.25. So 1.25 this side, 1.25. So negative 3 plus 1.25, this is negative 3 plus 1.25. Negative 3 plus 1.25 is 1.75, negative 1.75, which is negative 7 over 4. So negative 7 over 4, this is the solution. إن شاء الله أشوفكم في فيديوهات لاحقة، ولو حد عايز ياخد كورسات يتواصل معايا، سات أو أكت أو EST 1 أو 2. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.